I am Dr. Rakesh Dhumale. In this video, we will discuss Introduction to Python Programming. So first, we will go through the programming basics of Python. First one is a code. Code or source code. It is the sequence of instruction in a program. Second term used in programming is syntax, the set of legal structures and commands that can be used in a particular programming language. Output is the messages printed to the user by a program. Last term, which is called as console. Console is the text box onto which output is printed. Some source code editors pop up the console as an external window and other contains their own console window. What is Python? Python is a general purpose interpreted interactive object oriented and high level programming language. It was first introduced in 1991 by Rossum, a Dutch computer programmer. The language places strong emphasis on code reliability, simplicity, so that the programmers can develop application rapidly. Python is multi-paradigm programming language which allows user to code in several different programming style. Python efforts cross-platform development and is available through open source. Python is widely used for scripting in game menu application effectively. History of Python. Python is created by Rossum in the 1980s. Rossum published the first version of Python code, that is 0.9.0, in February 1991 at the CW1 Centrum Wiskunde and Informatics in the Netherlands. Python is derived from ABC programming language, which is a general purpose programming language that had been developed at CWI. Rossum chose the name Python since he was a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python is now maintained by core development team at the institute, although Python still holds a vital role in directing its progress. Why do people use Python? Python is a simple and small language. The following primary factors cited by Python users seems to be these. Python is object oriented structure, supports some concept as polymorphism, operating overloading, and multiple inheritance. Indentation is one of the greatest feature of Python. It's a free open source. Downloading and installing Python is free and easy source code is easily accessible. Python is robust, that is cannot manipulate memory directly. It's powerful. It is dynamic typing, built-in type tools, library utilities, third-party utilities, automatic memory management. These are the some features of Python. It's portable. Portable means Python runs virtually every major platform used today. As long as you have compatible Python interpreter installed, Python programmers will run in exactly the same manner irrespective of platform. Python code execution. Python traditional runtime execution model. Source code you type is translated to bytecode, which is then run by Python virtual machine. Your code is automatically compiled, but then it is interpreted. These are the data types used in Python. Every value in Python has a data types. Since everything is an object in Python programming, data types are actually classes or variables are object of these classes. There are various data types in Python. Some of the important data types are Python program, Python numbers, list, tuple, string, and dictionary. So these are the some data types available in Python. Thank you. So this is about the basics of Python. Thank you very much.